Hi. Let's go. Shall we? You're not even ready yet. You have your badminton tournament in the evening.
Dee,
Come on
Dee.
quickly. Let's practice.
Dee,
Come quick.
sorry Dee, I can't go for the tournament.
Suddenly what happened? Why are you saying this?
Actually,
Yeah, you can tell me.
how can I participate? Dee, it's those days.
Ria, you're going to give up such an important tournament because of those days. All this preparation, all this practice, you'll give up everything. Come. What those days? They're periods, not some punishment. Something as basic as this should not stop you in life. Okay, sit. Now tell me, do you know what periods are and why they come?
No Dee, only that they come every month and all work stops.
Ria, periods or menstruation is a very simple biological process that every girl goes through during a phase called puberty, which is your age, right? This is not something to be afraid of. In fact, it's the menstruation process that turns every little girl like you into a healthy woman.
Like you?
Yes, and it's absolutely normal and important.
Dee, why do periods come every month? And what is menstruation?
Menstruation. But good question. Menstrual cycle is the time between the first day of one period to the first day of the next one. Between 21 to 35 days, they can occur anytime. And if these days vary, there's no need to worry. They are irregular at the beginning, but they settle down after some time. Regular menstrual cycle is a sign that important parts of our body are healthy. Periods can start from any age between 9 to 16 years and can last for 3 to 7 days every month. And that's why it's completely natural for girls your age to get periods.
Dee, what happens when we get our periods?
Wait, let me show you. 1 second. See? There are physical changes like filling up of hips and breasts, hair growth in certain parts of the body, and occasional white discharge, etc. Hey, it's absolutely normal, don't worry.
I lose so much blood during my periods. Isn't that scary?
Not at all. You know why? The amount of blood we lose during a normal monthly period is around 80 milliliters, about 4 tablespoons. And your body even makes up for it pretty quickly.
Dee, you know what? First time when periods started, I was very scared. When I had gone to the bathroom and saw bloodstains on the panty, I thought I had hurt myself or I had some problem.
Yes, you're right, you know. One does get scared in the beginning. I almost began to cry. That's why it's important to understand what it is. Let me show you what happens. Do you have pen and paper?
There, on the study table.
Okay, come. Ria, between our hips, there's an important organ called the uterus. Right here. This has a lining which gets filled with blood-filled tissues every month and starts thickening. You will not understand its importance now, but when you grow up, get married, and get pregnant, this lining will help nourish and support your baby. But when a woman is not pregnant, this lining is not needed. That's why it flows out of the body through a passageway called the vagina. It has 2 openings, one from where you pass urine and the other from where you pass menstrual blood. Menstrual cycle provides important body chemicals called hormones to keep us healthy. Yeah? Understood?
Yeah, understood. Every month, the body opens its tap and closes it. And now I understood that boys don't have a uterus and that's why they don't get periods as well.
Ria, stop it.
But Dee, how do I play during periods? Forget playing. I'm even scared to move. It's so uncomfortable. When I move, pad also moves. Every 2 hours, I run to the bathroom and check again and again. What if there is a stain on my skirt?
So that's the problem. No issue. We'll have to check your pad. Quickly go and get it?
I'll just get it, Dee.
Okay. So this is the problem. Ria, it's very important to use the right kind of sanitary pad. Wait. See? This is the pad I use. See how neatly folded it is? Open the wrap. Remove the strip. And then place it. Your pad is unable to absorb. Most ordinary pads can't give you good protection, but my Ultra Gel pad absorbs very well. Inside this pad, there are thousands of gel particles that turn your menstrual blood into gel. It turns solid, so no leak, no stain. But look, ordinary pad doesn't have any gel inside. Look for yourself. How thin this is. So thin that you don't feel any discomfort. And you can wear whatever you want. Your pad is so thick, you constantly feel it, no? Also see how long it is? Much longer than ordinary pads. And it absorbs so much more, ensuring there are lesser chances of leaks and stains. That's why I don't have to rush back home to change my pad, you know? And my period days? They're just like any other day. And what's more? See, there's a special pad available. It's for sensitive skin. The top sheet is so soft that there's no irritation or itching. That means all day comfort. And no rashes.
Wow, Dee. This pad makes all your period days so easy and tension free. But how often do I need to change it?
Usually changing a pad depends on the flow. But the doctors advise you should change it every 6 hours. Always carry an extra pad to school. You can also keep it in a cute pouch. It's very important to know how to throw a used pad. This sanitary pad comes with a self-wrap. In the self-wrap, you can roll the pad like this, wrap it, stick it back, and then
Throw it.
yes, in the dustbin. Do not throw it in the toilet as it may clog the pipes. Finally, you can wash your hands with soap and water. Maintaining cleanliness and hygiene is most important during periods. Anything else?
Last question, Dee. I also feel very tired during periods. Is that natural? Sometimes I even get severe cramps.
Well, cramps, bloating, and fatigue are very common during periods. Just eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. Drink lots of water. Right here, but no aerated drinks, okay? Also, for severe cramps, you can do some light exercises. What? Like this? A hot water bath or a warm bottle may help reduce the pain and make you feel better. And one more thing. Remember our grannies used to say, always take rest during those days. No entering the kitchen or touching the pickle. These are all myths. In fact, periods are just like any other day. Tell you a secret. I have my periods today. Did you realize?
What? Really?
Yes. See, it's so normal. Now get set and pack your kit. We're already running late. And if your favorite player would have taken a back seat worrying about periods and missing her important tournaments, she wouldn't be the Saina Nehwal she is today. Right? So don't let your periods stop you from achieving. Focus on your goal, not on your skirt. So now, go and change. Take this pad, Ria.
Okay, Dee. I'll quickly go and change. Dee, I will get the trophy. I will win. Nothing can stop me.
Give me a high five. Let's go. Periods are natural, normal, necessary.
They start anytime between the age of 9 to 16 years.
Light exercises and proper diet can reduce cramps.
Those sanitary pads that are long and have magic gel are the best.
Change your pad in the morning and evening. Wash your hands with soap and water.
When you dispose it, roll it, wrap it, stick it, and then throw it in the dustbin.
And for more information, log on to www.rewardme.in.